Hi, I'm Shankude, and I'm from Assam generally, and I'm in Bangalore from last 11 years. I'm into IT, and when it comes to trading, I have a previous experience, but as an option buyer, where I don't know all the other technicalities. I was doing just scalping, but after joining the academy, I learned new strategies, how to avoid the risk. And then Regissa told us that we need to more focus on in the option selling part. And since I'm into IT and I don't have much time, so that he told teaches us some strategies which will benefit people like us who don't have much time for the market, like to every time we need to check the charts and all. So he teaches us those strategies, so that if we are not looking in the market every time also, we can do like take a positional trade and make some profit. And also, like we know that in stock market even loss is also there, but we need to manage how to manage our losses, how to minimize our losses. That is the main thing that he teaches very nicely to us. And even now the new thing now, he teaches all the strategies, but the thing is we need to practice daily. And what this academy give us, that have a long duration where we can practice our strategies. And then they will guide us. If we compare to the other organization where they just give us a time frame, okay, 1 week you come here and will teach us, then after that there is no support from them. So but here, after completing the course also, we can come, we can at least from 2 months you come and do the live trade. You will understand, you will get the confidence, and then you can come into the real market. So those things you can do it here. This is That is my feedback.